Some might say it's way too cold.
Dreams about to break. Why didn't I know that?
But I would say it depends on the circumstances. Isn't it always like that?
Hide inside myself.
It was too cold.
I'm afraid of
The time was rushed. That's why this is the only snippets I've got. But it was too enjoyable. Because sometimes small things matters more than the whole story.
I'm always fooled. Your eyes veiled in a smile.
No matter summer heat or snowstorm, the temperature does last longer and unexpected.
I'm alone. Everything is repeated again and again. Why did I believe your love? I had to dream without even knowing, lost in the waves. But now I know it's just a fairy tale.
Tolak angin. Warga tolak angin. Udah berapa obat yang lo minum hari ini? Udah berapa jenis obat yang lo minum hari ini?
Baru 2 ya.
Banyak banget ya.
So rest your head now, darling, until the morning sun.
Seperti ini. So this is how it looks like. Looks so cool, right? Looks like a winter wonderland. Everything is covered in white. But we have to be in a rush since we had to line up and we need to go home. Fifi! Hello!
Save it till the morning. Oh, let's talk in the
Video. Mau. Oh, mau. Video. Lalu mau di
I know I've been working late, living by the moon. So let's just take this moment and burn the midnight blues. So we don't have to put it all on the table. Tomorrow we can make it alright. Oh, girl, there's no need to complicate it with a